So today I'm going to go ahead and adapt these floats, these stabilizers, to my canoe. Shouldn't take too long. I didn't have to buy anything else but this piece of PVC 5 feet and 2 of those couplings and 3 eye bolts. I had a couple extra nuts. I bought a pack of these washers because I needed some more washers. Now I thought that I was going to have to come off of here with an elbow down and another elbow, but looking at the dirt line on the canoe, I think I'm going to be able to come straight out just like I did on the kayak. So I'm going to try that and take it to the water, and if they're not down low enough into the water, then I'm going to have to put an elbow on here. But I'm going to check that out first. I'm going to put this together with these eye bolts like that. That way I'll have these, like I said before, in case I need to bungee cord something or tie something down, I'll have a place there to do it. This bar I've had on here for a long time. I have a piece of 2x4 that goes across there, and it sticks out a little further on the other end, and I can put my trolling motor on there. So if I ever go back to using the trolling motor, which I haven't in a while, then I'll probably have to pull this off and put the trolling motor on there, or else I can get some real long bolts, which I might do. But anyway, that's what's going on today. Okay, so I got all that drilling and tightening the bolts and all that stuff done real quick, didn't I? I want to tell you, I have been griping about the doggone rain every day, and that's really been nothing compared to this heat we have today, I guess. So I mean, it is hot and it is humid. Hope you can see the sweat on this shirt here, and it's only about 11 o'clock in the morning. So the whole moral of this story is that if you've missed opportunities to gripe in the last few days, just wait a little while and your opportunity will come. No issue. You'll be able to gripe all you want to gripe. So let me get back to work on this project, because I am going to finish this up. I don't care how hot it is today. Okay, let's go put this canoe in the water. Let's put it in reverse. This is that same place on that Chocolaco Creek. Hope I can get out here and stick this canoe in there, where I did that bank fishing video. So let's go unload this and see what we got. Now, standing here right now, it looks to me like these things are higher off of the water than I wanted them. It looks like they're up about 4 inches, but before I come to that conclusion, I'm going to put my over 200 pounds in that seat and see how much the back of that canoe goes down. Okay, Oh, that water's a little cool, but boy, it feels good. Mm-mm-mm. Let's see if I can get in here. This is one of the biggest reasons I wanted these things. See this? I don't know. About ready for a new chair. Alright, let's see what we got. Should have been a good cottonmouth in there somewhere. But I guess there wasn't. We've had a lot of rain. This water's clouded up. I don't know. I think those things work right there, actually. Yeah. Let's see if you can see them. I don't have them bolted yet, so they're going to move, but that's good. If they're hitting the water when you start to go over, then they come into play. So I'm taking that. Yeah, good to go. Let me go back and finish drilling this. Well, it's pretty out here. It's close to that highway. Okay, I didn't show this in my kayak video, but that's how I rigged that. Bolt goes up through the other side. I have a washer on it. Another washer and a wing nut. I just tighten that up finger tight. And that's going to hold these in here real good. I think I mentioned I put some oil on this piece right here, and that really helps sliding that in and out. It's not going anywhere like that. I'll go out on these paddling excursions like I'm on right now without a rod, and then I look over at these spots. This is a real nice place, this Chocolaco Creek. I just hit my outrigger with my paddle. I might have to move those back one of these days. They're okay right now. Well, there's a bassy looking spot right there. Throw something under that tree there in the shade. Yes, sir. Look at all these elephant ears growing over here. I've known a lot of women that would love to have had those around their house. There's another big batch of them on down the way. All kinds of plant life. Okay, I'm going to paddle back into this little shallow place and see what it's all about. Then I'm going to call it a day. Next time when I come out in a kayak or canoe, I guess I'll have a fishing rod with me, because I really love this. And I'm really liking my training wheels. That's a better name for stabilizers, isn't it? An old man training wheels. The old man's got training wheels. Okay, everybody, enjoy life. I'll see you next time out.